Welcome, I'm Hannah, and I'm here to show you how to use the Excel shortcut to freeze panes. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So let's get started. Freezing panes in Excel is a great way to keep specific rows or columns visible while you scroll through large datasets. Place your cursor in the cell just below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep visible. For example, if you want to freeze the top row and the first column, select cell B2. Press Alt, then W, then F, and finally F, again to activate the Freeze Panes feature. Excel will freeze everything above and to the left of your selected cell. Other freeze options: freeze top row, press Alt, then W, then F, and R to freeze only the top row of your worksheet. This is great for keeping headers visible as you scroll down. Freeze first column, press Alt, then W, then F and C to freeze only the first column. This is perfect for keeping labels visible as you scroll across. How to unfreeze panes. If you want to remove the freeze, simply press Alt, then W, then F, and F again. Freezing panes is an essential tool for navigating and analyzing large datasets without losing track of important headers or labels. If you're looking for additional helpful shortcuts for Excel, check out Sheet Leveler's video tutorials for great tips. The tutorial instructions can also be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving it a like. Additionally, feel free to explore other tutorials created by Sheet Leveler. Gain the skills you need to work efficiently with Excel by learning how to use it quickly and easily. Are you new here? We are delighted to have you join our online community. Subscribe now and become part of the Sheet Leveler family. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.